Hi everybody, so good to see you once again. Thank you for watching. I'm Susan Joke of Sujok Beats and Crafts. I thank all my viewers and all my subscribers. Please, if you're just visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to all my subscribers, I say a very big thank you to you all. If you're a new viewer, please and please, if you like this video, support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to make this simple fabric rose. You can also use it as your hair fascinator and you can attach it to your turban cap. So, let's get started, guys. At the later part of this video, I'll also be teaching us how to attach our hair comb to our rose for our hair fascinator. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Measure 3.5 inches in fold, that is 7 inches when you are not folding them, and 3.5 inches wide in fold by 38 inches length. That is 38 inches length by 3.5 inches in fold. 3.5 inches in fold. It is 7 inches wide. 7 inches wide. 7 inches wide by 38 inches length. So what you'll be doing is you fold your fabric into two like this, wrong side facing each other. You fold it into two and pin it down. So I finished pinning the two fabric down because I want the two edges to meet each other. So I pin it down to secure the edges. So what I'll be doing now is I will thread my needle into into 4 places and not the head. So what I'll do now is I'll be making my running stitches from this end down to this end. So just watch me. Make your running stitches like this. You slant your stitches this way. We are making a fabric rose. Slant it this way. Then you bring it to the edges like this. You make the running stitches down to the other end. So you continue making your running stitches. Continue making your running stitches. As you're making the running stitches, you pull your gathers. Remove your pin as you stitch. Stitch till you get to this end. So when you get to the end like this, when you get to the end of your fabric, go this way. Make it slant like this. Then you slant. You slant it like this. Then you bring it out here. So this is it. Finish making the rose. So let me expand. What you did, this is what I did. I started my running stitches from this side. From this side here to this place. Down to this place. To this place. To this place. To this place. So when I get towards the end of the fabric, I turn my hand like this, slant in a slant way, and I did it to this edge here. So after getting to the end, you pull your fabric like this. So you pull it. After pulling, you pull like this. Then you arrange your rose. Arrange it in whichever way you want. Just to You arrange it this way. Put them on each other like this. Then you tack them together. Tack it together to secure it. So, yes, you are done. You can make it longer than this. You can increase your measurement depending on how big you want your rose to be. You can also reduce the measurements if you want it small. So after tacking them together like this, you can add a button or a brooch to beautify your rose. You can also attach a comb to the rose like this. Make it as hair fascinator, or you attach it to your turban cap. Just sack your hair comb to it like this for your hair fascinator, or you attach it to your turban cap. So isn't this beautiful? The fabric rose is ready. Just under 3 minutes, you are done with the fabric rose. I want to use that as my hair fascinator. So I'll be attaching my hair comb to it. So tuck it like this because I want it to face this way. I want it to come out this way. So I'll attach my hair comb to the back like this. So what I'll do is I'll do it this way. Put my fabric, just watch me. Then I put my needle through my comb. So I go this way. Then I go in again this way. Like this. Just watch me. Also pair it through the other hand like this. And come out like this. Make sure you arrange it very well. Come again this way. Bring it to the mouth of the next one. Come out like this. Come out like this. So bring it out like this. Come to the other mouth of this edge here. Come out of the other edge here like this. Bring it out. You can also attach your elastic band to it to make it as a fascinator. So I'll finish tacking my hair comb to it. To make sure you tack it very well so it will stand. Then you knot it after tacking. Knot it so as to secure your stitches. So I finished attaching my comb to it. This is it. So this is it. Our hair fascinator is ready. You can just use a brooch to cover this edge. So this is how it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? The hair fascinator is ready. Very simple, and it's not time consuming, and it's not so expensive. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susan Joker of Studio Bits and Crafts. Today I'll be teaching us how to make a yo-yo flower. I'll be teaching us 2 ways in making a yo-yo flower. Our material needed our satin fabric or any fabric of your choice. You can use your Ankara material, your scuba material, any material of your choice. A round object, a thread, a needle, scissors, office pin, and a tape rule.